Hello everyone, in this video we are going to take a look at the Illusionist Playing Cards from ARK Playing Cards. These were released as a Kickstarter campaign in June 2022. Magic and playing cards have always been intertwined, and the theme of the Illusionist is a perfect fit for a playing card series. And let me tell you, the artwork and design on here is truly stunning. The Illusionist Playing Cards come in this black outer cardboard box. I guess this is to protect the inner display box the cards come in. Inside is the Illusionist box. The Illusionist plague thing here is raised, which is very nice. Opening the box, you will find a certificate and thank you card. You can pause the video here if you want to read what it says. You get 2 decks of cards with the set, the champagne deck and the colored deck. This adds even more value to the purchase. According to the ad copy, the Illusionist Playing Cards take inspiration from the 1958 Swedish film Ansiktet. While I am unfamiliar with this movie, if you have seen the movie The Prestige, this deck has the same vaudeville stage vibe that captures the mystery and allure of magic. I will only be unboxing the colored deck for the purpose of this video. The tuck box is quite a bit thicker than a regular tuck box. This is the front of the box. On one side of the box has the ARK logo and a numbered seal, while the top says Illusionist. Even through the cellophane, you can tell that the artwork on here is exquisite. Let's open it up. The design on the front and back of the box is embossed. The Illusionist Playing Cards features this 3-dimensional theatre-inspired tuck box that's modeled after the magic theatres of the last century. When the tuck box is folded and closed, it does not look like anything. But when you open it up, the 3 levels pop open horizontally, revealing a miniature magic theatre stage with the magician performing the famous sawing a person in half illusion. And like magic, it closes with a satisfying click of the magnet. An inner sleeve inside the outer tuck box, which is embossed as well, houses the playing cards themselves. Inside, the cards themselves are beautifully designed, with intricate illustrations of classical magic effects being performed. The back design of the playing cards is the same as what we saw on the tuck box. The playing cards handles well and fan very nicely right out of the box, although I highly doubt that anyone would use these for card magic or simply playing your favorite card games. The first card is an ad card for ARK Playing Cards. The second card features a magician's suitcase table, stand and top hat. You can see the intricate designs showcased on the case. The Ace of Spades, also the Power Ace, features a gigantic pip and classic magic props like the cups and balls, ball and cone, ball and vase, a die, coin and magic wand. 2 doves are perched on metal rings hanging off the magician's suitcase table. While the layout of the number pips is fairly standard, all the pips on the cards have custom designs. The spade court cards showcase manipulation type magic. There is card manipulation on the jack, billiard ball manipulation on the queen, and pipe manipulation on the king of spades. Next, the diamonds have unique patterns on their pips as well. The court cards all feature linking rings. The Jack of Diamonds is holding the rings in a lantern pattern. The Queen is performing a 2-ring routine, and the King is doing an 8-ring routine. The Club court cards are also performing various manipulation routines, including candle manipulation, fan manipulation, and cane manipulation. Take a look at the design of the club pips. The King of Hearts is pulling a rabbit out of a top hat, while the Queen is performing some sort of bird act. On the Jack, there is a dove act. The design on the hearts are my personal favourite. Finally, the two jokers depict a sawing a person in half illusion. The Illusionist Playing Card set by ARK Playing Cards retails for $60 US. Overall, I am blown away and highly recommend the Illusionist Playing Cards from ARK Playing Cards to any magic enthusiast or playing card collector, or someone who simply appreciates a beautifully designed deck of cards. The attention to detail and the clever tuck box design make these cards truly unique and special. So, if you are looking for a deck of cards that captures the essence of magic and mystery, be sure to check out the Illusionist Playing Cards by ARK Playing Cards. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews like this.